So we have discussed how to write the one-dimensional array, two different ways of writing the one-dimensional array. Okay. Actually, it is not two, three different ways are there. Three different ways are there. The first way is int a array equal to new int bracketed 20. This is the first way of writing. Second way of writing int array a, that means square bracket pair first, then new int third way. I told you three ways are there. Third way is int array. You can directly give some numbers. Okay. When you are giving directly some numbers, you have to give in the curly bracket. You have to keep them in the curly bracket, each separated by a comma. Okay. Each is separated by a comma. Understood? Now, so you can create any type of array. Array can be of a primitive type or can be user defined type. We have done all the 8 different primitive types array, and also user defined type like the which user defined type array we have selected, we have done student. Student is the user defined type array. Students user defined type array, students array we have done. Okay. So there each element of the array, in case of a student array, each element will be a student. Right? Suppose you have done it, student, okay, B array equal to new student. Those who are not seen that day, I am writing for them. Those who are not seen or were absent. Okay. So now you have 5 members. 5 members of cells, 5 elements of the array, and the array name is what? B. Each element is a object. Each element is a object. So if you want to store some value in this element, any element, suppose first element, 0 element, what you have to write? B 0 is equal to new student function. Similarly, if you want to store value in the B1, you have to write same thing, new student function. So everywhere you have to write new student function. And how they will get different values? You have to call their which function we were using last year for which function we were using last year for taking values? Take function. Very good. Suppose, so like this, up to B4 you will create. So each object you will create. Okay. Now the time is to get the value for them. Right? Now the time is to get the value into them. Okay. All are getting the value. All are already getting the value. But these values are the object's address. When you are creating the object, each time you are getting new address. Okay. New addresses, and they are stored in these places. Already these places are filled up. Clear? But so these places are filled up. That means we have already taken some address. Already we have taken some address. We have created already the objects. Right? Only to fill up the objects. So we have to fill up there. Right? So, but which function I will call? You are telling just now? Yes, B0 dot take. Suppose I am taking three things. One is roll number. Okay. Class 9 or now you are 10. Class 10, then suppose mark. Percentage 80%. Three things. Suppose three attributes are there. So it is going to this place because I am calling this 0. Okay. B0. So it is going to this place. Okay. 15, 10, 80. Right? That is filled up. So remaining things you have to fill up. This is a homework for you. Creating the object class, creating the student class, student array, and filling the all the elements with an object, with the objects, right? And then filling the objects with the values. Yes. Hey, what I told, what is the assignment? First is creating the student array. Second is creating the objects, creating objects and storing in each element. Yes or no? And the final one is filling each object with values. Okay. So these three are your assignment. And last one is showing each of the object. So I am leaving space, right? So last one is again you have to show them. What do you write? B0 dot display function. You just call the display function. Okay, nothing else. Right? So this program will be kept in one class, and you have to have the another program, that is the student class. So 2 you have to do in your notebook. Okay. You can't do all this without student class. Student class must be there with these 3 attributes. What are the 3 attributes? Huh? 3 attributes is display. Roll number, class and a percent. Attribute is display telling. Okay. Display and a take are its behavior, its methods. Yes or no?